You'll need another stick like that, and then you're going to scoop very gently. And
this is huge for the kids. A lot of kids, amazingly to me, who grew up in the country, don't even get to put their hands in the dirt on a regular basis. And they just want to see what's growing down there. They don't even really care as much about the plants. They love the bugs. The boys especially are crazy about the bugs.
Why do you like roly-polies so much?
They're just cool.
Cool and kind of chill. They don't bite.
Yeah, they don't bite.
Do you care? Do you mind do you mind the bugs?
Yeah.
Why?
Probably because they're so cruel and some of them are not good for the plants.
Okay, so the jury is split on bugs, but fun is happening, and so is science. Perhaps not all the kids even care that experimentation is part of the after-school club, but it is.
Our propagation experiments, something kind of out of the box. It's not just plopping a seed into the ground. It's doing other things, like putting a leaf on the ground and will it do anything? Or, cutting up a piece of fruit and planting it. Will it do something?
I don't know what this is.
This one's still alive. It still has buds on it. Lots of water.
So what I was doing, I was putting dirt in the little pots, so then the others could do the transplanting, like putting the plants inside the pots.
I love planting the vegetables and all the plants.
Sales and marketing is also part of the educational process. The Garden Club had a produce sale in the spring so that, pun intended, they have seed money for next year.
We are transplanting lettuce into these for our later sale so that we can sell these.
we're going to get cleaned up, so finish marking your plants so that we know what is in them.
It's really fun. Sometimes it's kind of a lot of work, and sometimes you get a little bit dirty, but it's really fun.